How's it going, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to Venom Racing, and today we're going to be installing the Rally Armour mud flaps on my 2017 WRX, so this should work for anyone that has a 2015 through 2017 WRX. Let's get to the install, guys. First step is we're going to pull out the 3 plastic clips or break them. But either way, we're going to pull these 3 clips out or break all 3 of them. Either way. Now we'll pull this back here. We'll pull the fender liner back. I don't believe we're going to be reusing these clips. Hopefully not. We'll find out in a second. Alright, so after that, we're going to stick these S clips on. So the 2 S clips go up top. And then the smaller U clip goes in the bottom. Next up, guys, you're going to have this bracket for the front side, and what you're going to actually do is where there's actually a bend right here, or not bend, but a little indentation inside the bracket, you're going to bend it towards the car. So it's going to pretty much be up like this, and you're going to have to bend it towards where it's going to be mounting, so when you turn the wheels, it's not actually going to hit onto your actual mud flap. Next thing you're going to do, guys, is get the supplied spacer from Rally Armour and stick it right here so it's all even. And then what you're going to do from there is actually, what I would recommend doing is you're going to get the long screw right here, put the long screw through the bracket itself and the spacer, and then we'll go ahead and just kind of ease it in there. Just kind of finger tight it in there. Alright, guys, so now once we got all the screws inside here just loosely fitted, we can go ahead and align the mud flap to its desired position. And what we'll do from there, I think a good position would be right where that line starts. And then I'll go ahead and tighten this down, and then we'll have to rebend that bracket a little bit more at the bottom to make sure we have adequate tire clearance. We'll go from there. Alright, guys, I'm a little OCD, so what I did was I had to adjust this a few times here and there in my position that I wanted it at, and then I bent the bracket right here and I put the final clip in, and that way I'm gonna go ahead and test to see if I can turn the steering wheel all the way and make sure it doesn't rub, and then we'll hop to the next side. Moving on to the rear, the first thing you're gonna want to do is pull this clip out right here. Now that you have this bottom clip out, what you're going to want to do is actually take the bracket itself that is supplied by Rally Armour, and also take this little C-clip. You're going to put that on an angle, or drop it. Alright, so you want to actually take this at an angle, put that on the bracket itself, just like so. And then from here, we're going to actually pull the bumper away from like a little inner fender, and you're going to slide the bracket in between the bumper and the inner fender, just like so. I'm going to make sure that's at an angle so it can slide in there. There you go, guys, just like that. So the bracket's in place now. And then you'll actually come underneath the car, and that top rivet that we pulled out initially, you're going to slide that back in there to hold the bracket into place, and then we'll actually, just like the other one, we'll actually bend that other stuff in. Alright, guys, so now once you got the bottom clip re-put in, I went ahead and started this screw first, and that's where that little C-clamp on the bracket goes. Then on the top part, as you'll see, there's actually a nut that comes. These nuts. Got him! Got him! with the kid, and also a washer, and that's part of the bracket itself. So you just literally, it's 11 size nut. Just put that on there, and then on this back bracket, let me see if I can show you real quick. It's gonna be like the front one as well too. So go ahead and put the nut on there. And then what you'll have to do is you'll actually have to align the flap just like we did the front, except this time around, well, there's not really much of a difference. Just you want to make it perpendicular to the ground level. And then once you're right here, you can actually bend this bracket backwards, so you'll allow enough clearance for the tire. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. It was honestly realistically a very easy install. Maybe takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Super simple. You do one side, you do the other. It's really very easy. And I think, yeah, they are a little bit of an expensive modification for just mud flaps, but I think it completely changes the whole look of the car and maybe adds a little bit of paint protection that you're not going to get rock chips in it. But go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more, and stay tuned because we have more modifications coming to the WRX very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.